Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. I am using my ring light again today, so I will try to keep my head tilted so that reflection is not in my glasses. I'll do my best. Just real quick, there are a couple of giveaways going on right now. There is the Decluttered palette giveaway, and there's also the 3K giveaway as soon as we hit 3K or whatever. Anyway, both of those are linked down below. I got this. Now, either this is super, super late or this is super, super early. I'm not sure which one it is, but we're going to open it and find out. And I'll be uploading on a Saturday, which is something I haven't done in a really long time. Because as you know, the boxes that I've always recorded and uploaded on the very same day are Boxy and Ipsy. So let's get into this Boxy and see if it's super, super late. Or super, super early. So this is premium. Boxy does have, oh, this is February's. That's awesome. So I guess it's super, super early because I don't recall, unless they change things around, I don't recall people getting these boxes before the 7th of the month. So we'll see how that works out. I did get the prices, so that is always good for me. Boxy has 3 tiers. Premium is $35. The smaller one is $25 and the bigger one is $50, but the bigger one only comes quarterly. So this is premium. Oh, I guess I'm still waiting for my regular box too. Okay. And either this month or next month, I will determine whether or not I want to keep box or premium or the regular box. I'm only going to end up keeping one. It's probably going to be premium though. All right, so let's get into this. I'm excited. Okay, I was excited. Dude. Okay, well, I'm still excited for you guys. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is this palette. I own this palette. And I love all the I actually collect the Huda Beauty little ones like this. I collected all the originals. I collected the neons. And I collected most of these. And this is one of the ones that I have. So this will go in a giveaway. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's really pretty. Thought I saw something on there, but I was wrong. Isn't that gorgeous? So one of you guys will be really, really lucky to get this. I love these little shadows. I really do. I think they're so unique, and the packaging is really, really cute, which is honestly, I love the Huda formula. I really do, but the packaging just gets me every single time. This retails for, I'm going to guess $29, and then I'll actually look. I believe I paid $29 for this in the store. Yep, $29. The original ones were $27. And then the ones after the original sets of like the ones that are all the, the reds and the browns and the blues, like the monochromatic ones, is that the word I'm looking for? When they stepped away from that, they upped the price to $29. But let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow, Eloise by Eloise. So that's what the packaging looks like. And this retails for $26. Let's take a peek. Oh, it is actually completely safety sealed. I hate it when they do that because then I can't even peek. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open this one because I want to peek and see what it looks like. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. And I'm not big on liquid eyeshadows. Did I read that right? Is it? Yeah, it's a liquid eyeshadow. I'm not big on liquid eyeshadows. I have a few by Urban Decay, and it's not really my color. If it would have been like a bright color, I probably would have held on to it. But since it is a very neutral color, I will go ahead and just toss that in a giveaway for one of you guys. The 3K giveaway, actually, because I still have one box that I need to completely fill up. So this will go in that box, and so will this. Let's see. Oh, did I mention I haven't mentioned this. I'll mention it just real super quick. For the 3K giveaway, I actually got around to organizing the 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. And so currently right now, all those boxes have 4 palettes each in them. And then obviously the one that isn't filled up will get another palette. But I thought that was just a little bit of information that I thought you'd be interested to know, that each of those boxes, on top of having hair care, skin care, all of that, each of them have 4 palettes in them currently. So the next thing I am pulling out is the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. And this is what the packaging looks like. And this retails for $24. Oh, and this is just in black, so I'm probably going to pass it along. Oh, is it felt tip? If it's felt tip, I'll probably keep it. What is it? Hold on. I don't want to open it because I don't need to open it right now. Hold on, let me just read real quick. Yep, okay, so I am going to keep this because it is a liquid, and so most likely has a felt tip. I'm not going to open it just yet, just because I have a few that are already open. I don't want it to dry out before it's time, but let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is by Mercier, and it is a matte radiant baked powder. So there is this. Now I used to use, it says Highlight 01. Hold on a second. This retails for $44. I may keep this. I used to use I don't remember what it's called, but it was by Mercier, and it was the, well, maybe I won't. It's not loose powder. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, so this is just face powder. It has a plastic thing on it, so I'm not going to take that off. But it's just a face powder. I'm going to go ahead and just pass this along because I prefer loose powder. I haven't used a hard powder or a baked powder or whatever you want to call them. I'm not 100% sure on the nomenclature on that, but I haven't used one of those since my 20s. I noticed that loose powder works much better for my aging skin, and also fine milled powder. So I will stick to that. I'll just toss this in a giveaway. The next thing I am pulling out, this is a repeat, isn't it? Elemis Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial. Maybe not. Hydrating Sleep Mask. Okay, Elemis is a really good brand. I will just pass this along. I do like Elemis though a lot. Let's see, this retails for $65. It says the super cooling gel mask glides on the skin, creating a bio Memtech. I don't know if that's how to say that. Or, sorry, that's how I get by life. I laugh at myself a lot. Let's see. Veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped with moisture upon waking. Okay, I will just toss this in a giveaway. I don't wear sleeping masks. I don't. If it's super, like, I'll put a moisturizer on at night, but it has to be really thin. And I'm not going to open this just to test that theory because then I don't want to waste it. But it needs to be super thin for me to put it on my face any time of the day. I don't like feeling like that heavy moisturizing feeling on my face. I just don't like it. I feel like it clogs my pores. I feel like, I don't know. I already feel greasy half the time anyway, so I avoid heavy facials. I avoid heavy feeling moisturizers, face masks, all of that. Ooh, words are not coming to me very easy today, you guys. It's Saturday. It's my day off. Last but not least, I am pulling out this, what is it? Cleansing water. This retails for $39, and it says a powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Energized by purifying. Okay, you know what? I'll actually keep this and I'll try it. I actually really like fresh products for my cleansing steps, my cleaning steps, my facial cleansing steps. I prefer fresh products because they're really, really good for sensitive skin. This is nice and hefty though. It's glass. That's cool. But I will actually keep this and try it. So that is it, you guys. That is my Boxy Premium. We're still waiting for the regular Boxy. But that's cool. I am not mad at this. I mean, it was a good box. I'm not keeping much, but that's okay. I mean, I don't mind. I'm keeping this, and that's it. I'm keeping these two things and tossing the rest of this in a giveaway. But I mean, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I mean, like, if I didn't have this, I would have kept this too. Fact is I already own it, and it's an awesome palette, so why not share the love, right? Okay, anyway, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you for spending a little bit of time with me. I'll see you on Monday. What's going up on Monday? Oh, another mystery box is going up on Monday. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.